Nissan Sentara 2016, removal of the exterior door handle. Take this up, pops right up. 10mm bolt right here. This part I've already got loose, but what you got to do is get clips in here, 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 and here. You just push straight down in between the black part and the silver part, and it'll come out. Okay. Then you pop all these around here, these little rivets. The whole thing just comes. Well, you got to take this off first. And the whole thing pops up and out. You move this, loose these two connectors that are up on the door handle up there. This, you remove torex, which is a 25mm Torx inside there. The bolt does not come out. Okay. Remove this. Hold this up and out. And then you take those two connectors and you pull them out, you disconnect it, and that's how you do it. Now, quick to put it back in. Put the connectors back in. Make sure that gasket's sitting right. Now you want to move this out of the way. Once you want to come up, back, slide forward. I didn't do it perfectly that time, but that's what you got to do. You got to hook it in there on this side. Bring this over, down, and slide it into place, and then you put the lock back in place. And that's how you do it.